Okay, here we go. Having trouble riding with my hands off the wheel. Eventually I'll do it. There we go. I think my lock is in the right side of the basket. It keeps pulling me over. We had a little bit of a rainy morning, so maybe some lanes will be wet, but it looks like things have dried out by now. Wonder if this guy's turning. Can't really tell. Okay. Merge in here with the cars. When everybody's going slow, it's pretty straightforward to kind of make sure you take the lane. A little harder when everybody's going way faster than you. Now, unfortunately for these soft hit posts, blocking the big trucks from taking the bike lane, so here the light is red, but the walk symbol is green. So pretty much everybody goes through. The reason the light is red is because it's a walk scramble. So everyone walks from all directions. And so people don't completely realize that, which does cause pedestrian bike conflict sometimes. Because the bikes think they can go, but the pedestrians have a walk symbol walking right in front of them. I'm all for going with the walk symbol, but yeah, if the light is red, you don't know why. You should make sure you figure out why. Now all the lights turn green for me. Should be green from here to 8th Street. I don't think this is a purposeful green wave, but it ended up being timed that way. Since you have to get out of the bike lane at the end anyway, and there's so many people, it makes sense to not even ride in this bike lane sometimes. You know, instead you just be like going in and out. Okay, this is a fun place to have to turn right, because there are so many pedestrians coming off the BART that nobody can turn right during the green. So I usually just pass even the cars, come out here where I can't even find an opening until the light turns red. Then I can come around and go back to the bike lane. So here we go. Guy is doing the same thing and not looking. interesting. Somebody's using this loading zone today. They have this bike lane go around, but usually there's no one there. Coming up. These are real concerns on the protected bike lanes. I feel like sometimes it's a little harder for cars to see where the bikes are because they're just farther away, not right next to them. Yeah, you just gotta be a little wary of when you see those car wheels moving or see people slowly moving over into the bike lane. So I want to turn left here, but it's a little bit hard to get in all this traffic sometimes. So today I'm gonna just hang out over here and pull a little Yui so I can wait to go when the light turns green. Every now and then I can get in the car traffic there if there's not many people or nobody's moving yet. And up here.